Okay, I am back. Still singing. I had a big juicy salad, and if you saw part 2, Temu Black Friday haul deals, big old piece of salad right there in the middle of my teeth. Channel name, Hot Mess. What you think you're getting? Professionalism? No. Absolutely not. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we got another Temu haul. Third one for November, and I'm really excited about it because Temu has their huge Black Friday deals going on right now. So you're getting up to 90% off over at Temu. If you've never heard of Temu, well, it is an app you can download, and it has everything. Like anything and everything you may be looking for, and even things you're not looking for, you'll find over at Temu. My mom is on the app all the time now. My husband's on the app. I'm on the app. Anyways, welcome to the channel, and shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button and donating or tipping the channel, if you will. And if you're returning, thank you. I couldn't do it without you guys, like truly. And a big shout out and of course thank you to Temu for letting me pick all of these goodies and working with me in today's video. You guys know I have a lot of Temu hauls over here, so let's go ahead and jump into the first item. Now, I do a ton of Temu fashion try-on hauls over on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. And this one I'm not going to put on for you all over there because she's a cute little number. She's a cute little number, but like I'm not putting that on for you guys. Now, I have purchased something like this in the past, and can I just tell you guys, it is super cozy and comfortable. And I always am in like a gifting type of mentality. Like, how cute would this be if you like rolled it up and put it in maybe like a little wine glass or something, got a little thing of like bath bombs or something, which they have over there at Temu, and like that would make such a cute little gift. And I don't know, when it comes to Temu, like I was talking about it in one of my other Temu videos, that if you do like gift themed baskets or color themed baskets, then all you have to do is go to the app and search like specific color or whatever, and things will come up on those colors, and you can like put together a gift basket. So if you are putting something together for a friend or like your bridesmaids or something like that, Temu is a great place to check out. Haley's getting married next May, and they've been getting some things off of Temu as well. So I plan on placing, which by the time you guys see this, I've probably done placed it, my own Temu order of Christmas decor, because the stuff that they have over there for their Christmas decor and all the pink stuff has me so flippin' excited. It's crazy. Okay, so this was a repick only because Haley really liked it, and of course I wanted to, you know, get one for her, but I thought these were really cute, and I wish I had picked it sooner because she just got back from Nashville and she was at a bachelorette party, and this would have been perfect for Nashville. I already own these and I freaking love them. I feel like you need like little things like this in your closet, but like not for like $200, $300. You know what I mean? Like these little things are so cute and fun to have in the closet for, you know, a whopping like what, 30 some bucks? Like heck freaking yeah, and coupon codes are down there. A kitty's here. Hey girl, I wonder where you've been. Hey baby, what is all over you? Is that mud? Burrs? Oh, so I get to pick burrs off of you. I'm gonna finish filming this so I can go pick the burrs off of the cat that's not my cat, but like comes into my house like she paying bills. I'm obsessed. I love her so much. I pick up a size 38 in these, and Haley and I wear the same shoe size, so I know these are gonna fit her great. But these are so freaking cute, and they're cozy, they're adorable, and I 10 out of 10 recommend these boots. Like I said, I already have them and I picked them up for Haley. I was just a little late to the ball game at unboxing to get it to her for her Nashville trip, but that's okay. I'm sure there's gonna be more. Next in here, this is actually a repeat, but this is for Haley, so I got this for her. This is the ring light, and this is the clip-on ring light. I unboxed it in the last video. Like, I should probably put it on because it's getting dark. But, ooh, Oh, look at that. Do you see how bright this thing is? And then you just screw it right in here, and then you just clip it to your phone. It has like different settings, so you can go super bright, warm, cool, whatever. This thing is amazing. And I'm back. So yeah, if you want a rechargeable, travel-friendly little light, 10 out of 10 would recommend this as well. Okay, this is something that I feel like is like a little extra, but I'm okay with it. It is a toothbrush holder, but this is the UV one. Multifunction toothbrush sterilizer, yeah. So I've got one already in my kids' bathroom, but I thought I would get one for my bathroom, and you just hang it up, and you can put your toothbrush in. Well, this I think is for your toothpaste. Your toothpaste goes over here, and then you put your toothbrushes in there, and it sterilizes them. See? Like, with everything that's going on, and I can't get rid of this flipping crud, I feel like this is something that is a handy dandy little thing. And you can just attach it to your wall or whatever. I should probably put it on the wall, not the mirror, huh? My husband laughs at me because I'm like, yeah, let's just put things on the mirror. He's like, let's not do that. It's gonna break. I'm like, oh, really? Anyways, and it does come with a little charge and the little stick-on things too, as well. Like I said, with all the crud going around, I don't typically get sick, but I caught it right in no time flat from my son, and I say it, but you guys will see this video later in the month, but I'm going on like a week and a half. No thank you. More jewelry, because I love their jewelry. So this is in a size 6, and I keep meaning to get more of the size 7s for this hand, but this is a really pretty pear cut cubic zirconia. And this ring right here, both of my rings are from Temu. This one you guys see all the time. This one I just hauled, but look how pretty this is. They are so nice. They fit true to size. That is just, it's so cute. It's like a teardrop. I love this so much. Hey baby. So she was in the brush. She's been out in the fields, in the woods. Thank God I just put that flea and tick med on you. You gonna come say hi to our friends? Look at those. Silly kitty witty. Silly kitty witty. You gotta stay out of the woods, silly. Yes, I miss you, honey. Say hi to our friends. Say hi, friends. She's such a sweetheart. I cannot believe you got all... I gotta put gloves on to get that off of you. You gotta stop doing that, okay? I'll feed you some wet food in a minute. She's over there eating the dry food. So this is the same ring in pink. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty and dainty. I love it. Oh, look. Isn't that so pretty? So still you can see. Oh shoot, I really like that. Look. Luckily the band is thin enough I can get it on. It's kind of tight though, but I don't know, I might sport that. That's really pretty. Let's do one on each side. If I feel rings too much, I normally wear them, which I know is really bad, but I'll wear them like a half size too big. Just so it's not too tight. Oh, okay, so I got another one of these. These are amazing. It's an umbrella window doohickey for your car, and it's like a sun shield. It goes on your windshield. Isn't that cool? I know, right? I love it. When the summertime finally comes back, we'll be good to go. Okay, sorry guys. I had to take a brief intermission. 1, I had to change the battery. 2, oh, this lighting is kind of wonky. 2, I was picking the burrs off of a Cutie Kitty Sugar Dumpling, who was rendezvousing out and about, making me nervous all day. I was so worried about her, and I'm like, you know, you really got to stop doing this to me. Alright, so it's getting dark, because, like, daylight savings time, good fun times. So I'm gonna turn this on. That's good enough. That's good enough. It's such a crazy day. Alright, so the last thing I showed you guys was the windshield wiper doohickey. Hi baby! Mwah! She's annoyed with me right now because I picked everything off, and then there was like one left on her tail, and she got annoyed because she kept moving her tail, and I like smushed her tail down so I could pick it off. So next in here, I did pick up another neck fan because my 17-year-old always asks for these, because when they go to like, oh, this one's even nicer. I don't know if I'm gonna gift this one. Wow, look at this. It's a flexible one. So the other ones, normally you just hook them around, but when when we go to Kings Island or whatever, we always take these, and my 17-year-old also likes to gift these. So like when you go to the pool and stuff like that, their friend has one too, not just them. So the button, oh, here it is. So there's 3 settings. This is not, you know what, I like this one better because the other one sits on Fred, which is my lump from my broken collarbone. So I like that I can squeeze this one smaller. So yeah, this one's nice. Like, I think they're all great to have. There's 3 settings, but in all honesty, I like the more adjustable one better. I like this one a lot better, and this one has like a little grip back here too. So if I had to choose between this one or like the standard one that is just like this and you like stick it on and you can't adjust it, I'd go with this one. I don't know if they have pink. I had pink and white of my other ones, but like I said, we get these and we gift them, especially like for summertime gifts. They're perfect, and it does come with like a little charger as well. So this is random but definitely needed. It's a furniture repair kit. Remember when I said you didn't know that the things that you need from Temu, but Temu lets you know? Right here. So we have laminate floors, and well, have you met me? I'm pretty clumsy. I drop everything. Matter of fact, my kids are the same way. Like this morning, I was making my 17-year-old's lunch, and all of a sudden I hear clunk, 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 punk. It was the phone. They dropped their phone. So yeah, I picked this up because we will definitely need it. I painted everything, and there were different little nicks I noticed in the floor, so I figured this will be good. And not only is it markers, but it's also like it's a filler sticks, so it offers wax to repair, and then you have the markers that you can just color. Honestly, it's nice. It comes with a pencil sharpener too, so I'm really excited over that. Okay, this next thing has been on my Temu wish list forever. These things were selling out like hotcakes, so I'm so excited that I got one. So this is the fruit and vegetable purifier. Have you watched those TikToks all over TikTok, matter of fact, where they like put their fruits and veggies in there and then turn this on? I don't know what it does, but you plop it on in, and then it like somehow knocks the bugs off or something. I don't know, but I don't know. I still use vinegar and baking soda in my fruits and veggies, but I'm gonna try this too. So it came with the instructions. What did I just do with them? Here they are. So it has a little stand, and it comes with a charger. How cute is that aesthetically? Anyways, so you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna charge it, and then you lightly press the switch unit for the fruit and vegetable machine, and a beep will sound. Place the activated fruit and vegetable host at the bottom of the vegetable sink and keep the host lying down. So once you put it in there, you're gonna lie it down, and then it says stir the fruits and veggies from time to time during the working of the fruit and vegetable machine to achieve a better purification effect. So you do this for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm pretty excited. I've been wanting one of those for so long, especially once I saw them all over flipping TikTok. Do you feel better with all the burrs off of you? You want to come back and say hi to our friends? She's like, no, I'm going to rub on everything and claim it as mine. Next in here, you can never have enough of these, y'all. I don't care what you say. I've got so many of these from Temu. Like, I've got my pink sparkly one over at my desk right now. Again, amazing, perfect gifts. Could you imagine? Like, put your PJ things in here with a little, like, obviously match it, you know? And then you could do, like, what a cute little gift basket that would be, right? Heck freaking yeah. When it comes to Temu, I'm telling you, they literally have a bunch of random everything in there. Things you didn't know you needed. And FYI, something with these cups that I always forget. If you don't want to drink through a straw because like straw wrinkles or whatever, look, they have this. So you just like move this. Hold on, let me screw it on better. And then you can right out of here. So if you don't want to use the straw, you don't have to, but if you want to use the straw, you just move it over and put the straw in there. Yeah, I forgot about that. It's fine. I drink with the straw anyways. Wrinkles, well, we all got them. That is everything for today's Temu haul. Thank you to Temu for letting me pick these things out and working with me once again in today's video, helping to support the channel. Thank you to you all for helping to support the channel as well. I got a bunch of good. So let me know, what was your most favorite random gadget that I showed in today's video? Make sure to check out the Temu Black Friday deals up to 90% off. Everything's going to be linked and listed, and I'm going to try and remember to link my other 2 videos down in the description box for you guys so you guys can see the other deals that are going on right now. Don't forget, they have lightning deals, so the price you may see today may be even less tomorrow. Beauty of Temu. Price adjustments. You don't have to worry about it. Anyways, check me out on my other channels. Thank you once again to my YouTube members and to those of you clicking the thanks button. I'm going to hop off and go get some kitty cat little sugar dumpling lovin'. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!